All right, welcome back. So, the One Big Happy Family, we're at it again. Black History Month, we're doing a FUBU collab, F.U.B.U collab, for us, by us. And what we want to do is just, pay tribute to a local black-owned business, right? In my case, I'm choosing the Fish Hut, right? I was in the mood for some Cajun food, so I got some little alligator, I got some shrimp po' boy, some fries. Just watch. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. So like I said, this is the Fish Hut. And it's a black-owned business. I go there to get my Cajun food, my alligator and such. Try some of these Cajun fries out here. It's real important to support your local business. Okay? And in this case, if it's a black-owned business, especially this month, it's a bonus. And some of this Gator. Put some of this sauce on it. I can taste the seasonings on the fries. And normally I make my own alligator. When I go there, I normally just get raw alligator meat and I season it and cook it myself. But this will actually be my first time seeing what they're actually working with. Okay. Got a little clean heat to it. Yep. Now, I'm wearing gloves because I know that po' boy is going to be messy. I'm looking at it and I can already see. And things to keep in mind when you go to like a small mom and pop, a lot of times, they don't have the best deal. Because they don't get the discounts and the perks of the big box and the big chain restaurants and stores. So you might find that you're going to pay a little bit more. But at the same time, the quality, 90% of the time, 95% of the time, the quality is better. Okay? And I say 90 to 95 because, with any business, you're going to have a bad day. It happens. But it's rare. Let's try this po' boy out. Ooh. See, it's work with. Yep. And this is what makes it all worth it. Yeah, so get out there, support, black-owned businesses. You don't have to limit yourself to just, Black History Month. Do it every month, right? Do as much as you can, when you can do it, yeah. Now, in my case, I chose a little restaurant, right? But it don't have to be a restaurant. It don't have to be food for you. It can be retail items. It can be anything, right? Apparel, just whatever, however you can support. Right? So if you have a chance, get out there and show some support. I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating this. I'm not gonna hold you, but yeah, show some support. So I'm gonna get back to this. I'll see you in the next video. Check out the rest of One Big Happy Family. For this collab, look in my description. You'll see who came before me and who's coming after me. All right? Show them some love too. And again, if you like this, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, hit that bell. And if you can, hey, share it out. This is Shrashira. Show some support. I'm out.